I work in the aerospace industry at BAE Systems. My job is to manufacture precision components for military aircraft. As a machinist, we use a number of materials such as composite materials, reinforced plastics, titanium, aluminium. I've used 5-axis machines, worked with robotic arms in automated production lines so that you can machine complex curves and surfaces, which are pretty typical for aircraft. The properties of materials that are specific for aircraft is things like strength to weight ratio. Another thing is how does the material react to fatigue and corrosion. Other examples might be machinability as well, because you have to manufacture these aircraft at scale, so you have to work with materials that are readily available. When you work in the aerospace industry, there's absolutely no room for error. Everything has to work and conform to specific tolerances and standards. An example is within the first year of the apprenticeship, I was manufacturing a part to a tolerance of plus or minus 50 microns, and to give some perspective from that, 70 microns is the width of a human hair, so as a machinist that's your bread and butter, you just make the part to the tolerance. Some of the materials and equipment that we work with can potentially be very dangerous. We get very sharp corners, burrs, and we have to wear protective gloves to stop ourselves getting cut. We also work with various lubricants and coolants, some of which come under the control of hazardous substances, so we have various controls in place to protect ourselves and others. Aerospace engineering is a continuously evolving and developing field. An example of technologies that are on the horizon is increasing use of additive layer manufacturing, where we grow parts. Another example is use of robotics and co-robotics in the manufacturing production line. But also operators may be using virtual reality to actually manufacture the aircraft. Tomorrow's aerospace industry is going to be going faster and higher than ever before, and we're going to need materials that are fit for purpose. I expect to see unmanned air vehicles, but also potentially on the future horizon, I expect to be working on spacecraft at some point in time, which is really exciting.